TDP. VTOS. VY.
Roger. Right, I'm going to be selecting to go around risk formation and view cross-check and brief. Select and brief, please.
3000 C now, brief selected. Okay, after takeoff checks on the landing gear. We're on our way to the Zoo, which is a FPSO to the west of Shetland. Some with Jamie, some with other captains. Where we've either gone there, not gone, because it's been out of limits, or... That's Auskerry over there.
Is your island?
Yeah, just in their little patch of sunlight.
Is anyone home on it?
No,
today?
nobody's home.
Yeah, wind's tying up with what they're saying, so
Yeah.
probably 30 degrees or so off to the left.
So I'm just pushing it around further. There we go.
Cool, yeah, speed.
Okay, speed's coming back below 80 then.
Right, stand by for floats.
Okay.
And right, below, right, floats are armed, advisory seen.
Roger.
Unconventional it says, that completes finals.
Roger. Decoupling, descending.
Decouple. Roger. You're good for wind there. Nose just below 10. Keep her coming down steady. Keep her coming down. Keep her coming down. All the way. Keep it going. Keep it going. Nicely done.
Thank you.
What I do?
Excellent. Right, after landing checks, please.